as a young person, I was one of those children who drew on everything, you know, whatever bit of paper or I have a daughter now who's the same, and I look at her and I'm like, okay, I can understand why some children maybe grow up and be an artist and others don't. My grandmother was an artist, and she worked from a shop in Brisbane back in the days when people went and paid and got their portrait done. So I always had the notion that being an artist was something you could just do with your life. I always failed at all my geometric drawings until I literally let go of measurement. I measure to a certain degree, but it's like an organic geometry. And so if one point is right and one perspective is right, everything else will be right. And then the nature of it not working sometimes is the magic of it. When this brief came up to do the installation based on Cleopatra, I was really excited by that because of my long interest in architecture. So I very quickly had an idea of what I could do with that in terms of making it like obviously a modern take and using my colour palette. One of the most pleasurable things about my work now is making up the colour palettes. There's a certain energy when you're making work, and so that's why the power of anything that you get that was made by hand, by someone else's hand, have inherent value that something that's made in a mass production doesn't have. So this installation is for the Best of the Best 2019, and there's 44 Australian artists and designers and creatives who will contribute, and that will be in the Grand Hall of the NGV.